A hot bowl of khichdi literally is like your grandmother hugging you. And when you have a khichdi which is as unique as a methi and Matar Ki Khichdi, well, that's just the beginning of greater imaginations. The recipe for the day, Methi Matar Khichdi. Well, khichdi for the uninitiated is one of those wholesome meals that also has loaded fibers and vitamins and calcium. Today's recipe, of course, is the Methi Khichdi, which also has an add-on of fenugreek, which is fresh fenugreek leaves, along with green peas. Now, this literally does not need anything else beyond that, except possibly only and only if you wish, some fried poppadoms and achar. Beginning with Methi Khichdi, first things first, a pressure cooker, and in this, desi ghee. Let's begin with black mustard seeds for tempering, and along with this, some asafoetida and some curry leaves. Time to add in crushed ginger garlic and green chilies. At this point in time, let's lower the flame and look at the quantities of the lentil and the rice. Now in this case, what I've done is I've taken half a cup of tur dal, which is your pigeon peas, and to this I've added a short grain rice, which is 1/4 the cup. So when you combine these two, this literally now is 3/4 a cup. Khichdi generally takes 3 times of the water of the base ingredient. So now if this is 3/4 of a cup, you take 3/4 into 3 times water. Let's give this a good stir and add in turmeric powder along with salt. Let's stir this well. Cover this and cook this on medium flame. It's been 3 whistles. With this, off goes the flame, and now allow this to settle down completely well, after which we'll add in the rest of the ingredients. Well, the khichdi looks perfectly mushy, just like expected. Let's now move on to the next step. And for this, I'm using another wok, and in this, some oil. Fenugreek, of course, is extremely important for us because it's loaded with vitamins A, C, it has calcium, it's a wonderful fiber, and more than anything, it is just wholesome and nutritious for all of us in its entirety. Let's begin with the tempering. First one, of course, cumin seeds, and then moving on to fresh fenugreek leaves. Let us saute the fenugreek leaves on high flame and add in the cooked khichdi. Along with this, blanched peas and water to adjust the consistency. With this, our Methi Khichdi is done and ready. Off goes the flame. Let's serve this piping hot khichdi in a deep bowl along with achar and papad. You could also give this a second tempering with cumin seeds and red chilies. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Methi Khichdi is done and ready. After a world travel, if somebody asks you this question, what is that one dish that eventually feels like home? It is the Methi Khichdi. Try this for your family, try this for your friends, and let me know in the comment section how you like it. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.